Hello everyone, this is my first video on YouTube. Today I'm going to see what happens when you smash a fidget spinner. As you can see, I've tested this out already and it went pretty well. This is exactly what I wanted. Now we'll just smash the rest. Okay, you ready? Oh, let's see what happened. Oh, nothing happened. Right here. Oh, nothing happened. Nothing fell off. The fidget spinner's not strong. Throw against the wall. Ah! Oops, something fell out. This fell out. I'm breaking my fidget spinner apart. Oh, another one fell out. Here it is. Another one fell out. This is all that's left of my fidget spinner. Goodbye, buddy. Oh, smashed. Oh, look. Oh, dude. This was not what I was expecting. Let me try and quickly find the piece. Guys, I could not find the piece. Here, it's missing. I'm trying to get these two dimples out. Let me try and put this one back in. Once it goes in, it's hard to take out, but once it goes in, it can go back out. Okay, let's do this, boy. Oh, that's a stick. I thought that was the piece. Still no sign of piece, alright? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, smashed against the wall. Now let's see. Oh. Again. Jump. Throw it. That was a terrible throw. Keep my arm in my hand, right? Jump and throw it. Fidget spinner. Right. What's the next task? Today? Okay, next task. See what happens if you hit this fidget spinner. I don't have a hammer, so I have to use this, okay? Throw it on the ground again. This is like fidget spinner rage. Gosh, it's bouncing back out. Okay, this is the result. So hitting a fidget spinner with a hammer or this, hammer might be a bit more effective. But yeah. Okay. Now, let's see if we smash a fidget spinner again on the ground. I really want those two pimples to come out. Ooh, it's gonna take a long time. Let's see what happens if we hit it with a rock. There's not many stuff. Oh, there's loads of ants. Right. Oh, that's harsh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Final smash. Oh. Yeah. The reason I'm doing this is because I want this to become a viral video. I really do. These things haven't come out yet. That should blooming amazing. See what hitting it against the corner. Ouch. Right, let's try and build this fidget spinner back together, and I'll be back when I do it. Alright guys, I am back. I have built the fidget spinner. It's back. So this little thing there, and just watch us spin it. There. Actually, I'll hold it. Spinning. It's spinning quite well. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Oh my goodness, what is that? What on earth? Jesus, Meezus. Alright, anyway, yeah. It spins pretty good. It just has a little dimple there. And this can come off very easily. And it can be put on very easily. Kind of. And there it goes on. Yeah, fidget spinner. If we smash it against the floor, it might look something like this. Anyway, it was fun destroying the fidget spinner, and hopefully some other day I will make another video. But for today, that will be today's video. So have a great time. Bye.